Today I'm going to be reviewing the Iron-Man MK5 5.0 edition. This helmet is the new helmet of this year, 2024. It has 8-part opening features as opposed to 4, in which the gold edition, the black edition, the 1.1, 1 of 1 Iron-Man MK5 helmet is 4 parts. This is now 8 parts. So without further ado, we're going to open this up. So we have here the protective black layer, just to protect the helmet in transit. So we're going to put that there. And as you can see inside, we have the helmet, the instructions and the remote. So first off, we're going to pull this plastic protective layer off. We have a remote just here. I'll open it up. So here we have a remote with A through to E. And these buttons will basically open the helmet, control the voice commands, turn on the LEDs, start combat mode, turn off the sound feature. So we'll walk through that in a minute. And then here you have your instruction manual. And now we're just going to open the helmet up. So here is the helmet. Here is the box, as you can see. Put that down. So this is the helmet, it comes in this packaging. So here it is. It's got a sort of chrome finish, but it's a brushed chrome, it's not a shiny, reflective chrome. And as you can see around the sides, it does look really, really cool. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop open the back here. This back opens up for when you are putting on the helmet. You can open up the back and it gives you easier access to put the helmet on, as well as when you're changing the batteries. You can also get easier access to the back of the panel. So we're going to open the battery pack up, which is just here. So this is what the battery pack looks like. And it takes 4 AA batteries. We only recommend that you put Duracell batteries into this helmet. So we're gonna put some Duracell batteries into this helmet now. If you're using batteries like Energizer or any other brand of AA batteries, you may see some faults with the helmet, as I believe that Duracell is the only battery company that can draw enough power to the helmet to make it open, do all its voice commands and LEDs. So now we're going to stick that back onto the back, just like so. And now it's simply ready to be used. So what we're going to do is we're going to flip the on switch, which is just located here. And it's now activated. We're going to pop this back on. And now the helmet is in activation. What we're now going to do is put the batteries into the remote. This takes a single AAA battery. So we're just going to grab a AAA battery from Duracell. We're going to insert that into the helmet. I've just dropped the piece, so we're going to put that back in. And here we are. So now this LEDs are on, and we can start to use this remote. It will automatically pair to the helmet. So we're going to click A. That opens the helmet in the slide effect, as seen in the movies. And then we've got B. And that is the 8-part opening. So as you can see, there's 8 different parts on the helmet that is now opening. And then if we go to select B again, it will close. And as you can see, there is touch sensors on the sides. So you can touch the sides of the helmet that will open. The sides of the helmet will open the mask and close the mask. Now this helmet looks really, really cool, especially with the 8-part feature. It's not been seen before by the Iron-Man MK5 sort of industry of helmets. And then if we go to option C, it starts combat mode. And as you can see on the sides, the LEDs on the sides have now gone red. These are the upgraded LEDs on the sides. So it's sort of more visible, the LEDs, and it does look a lot cooler on the LEDs there. So that's it in combat mode. So if we click C again, turns off combat mode. And then we've got option D, which shuts down system. And then option D will then open system again. And then we've got option E, which will turn off the sound. So if I went to, say for instance, shut down system, the sound does no longer activate. And then if I click E again to activate the sound, and then click shut down system, the sound is back on. So now we're going to talk through the voice commands of the helmet. So always to start with your helmet, you've got to say this. Hello Jarvis. Start system.
Hello, I am Jarvis. Hello.
Open the mask. And then what I like to do is say this. Hello Jarvis.
Hello.
Start system.
Hello, I am Jarvis.
Now you've got the LEDs on your face, so when you've got the helmet on and the LEDs are shining onto your face, it looks really, really cool. Hello Jarvis.
Hello.
Close the mask. And that is now the 8-part closing here. So now we're going to move on to the combat mode. So we can say, hello Jarvis,
Hello.
start combat mode. And now Jarvis has activated combat mode onto the helmet. And then we can say, close combat mode. And now combat mode is closed. And the other features of the helmet is obviously the slide, which we've already spoken about, and that closes. And then what I'm now going to do is put on the helmet so we can show you what it can actually do. I don't know if you can hear me very well, but now we have the helmet on, we're going to switch it on just here. Hello Jarvis.
Hello.
Start system.
Hello, I am Jarvis. Hello.
Open the mask. Close the mask. Start combat mode. Close combat mode. Shut down system.
Enjoy yourself, sir.
So there we have it. That is the Iron-Man MK5 5.0. It's just come out on the 1st of January of 2024. The helmet is 60 centimeters in head circumference. It will often fit most people. It will fit pretty much any size. If it doesn't fit you, then you can insert padding into the top of the helmet on the sides, which make it fit you a bit better. So this is a 5.0. It's now available on Iron-Man MK5.com. So that's Iron-Man MK5.com. We have super competitive prices and we can deliver within 1 to 3 business days. We have stock of this product as of now. So yeah guys, grab it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and keep updated on our future products that we've got coming out shortly. Thank you guys.